welcome back, DJ Now here, and hope that you guys have a wonderful holiday. Yes, I'm back, and today we're working on a song, one of Lau's song, and we're still working on it. And but yeah, hope you guys have a great holiday. And I said before that this year I'll keep making music. Yes, I'm still, and I'm back to the studio, start making some more songs. So yeah, I got some few beats going on. No, actually just 2 beats, but we haven't had any lyrics to it. So probably next week, or maybe this Friday or Saturday, I'll start uploading some songs and for you guys to enjoy. And hope you guys have a best new year this year, and wish you all the best. And what's up to everyone, so many names. But yeah, I got 2 beats already done, and today we're gonna work on one of DJ Lau's song. I think it's a love song, but yeah. So okay, let me just see. Junior, what's up? And Anafu, malo daulava, Sane. Yes, welcome back. And Usher and Junior again. Yes, of course. Oops, I'm not allowed to play this song during my videos, so I'm gonna play some of my songs. This one, I think you guys like this song. So yeah, like I said before, I'm back to the studio and start making some more songs for you guys to enjoy. And sorry about my hair, it's too messed up, so I just got back from the shower. So yeah, let me give you guys a little demo on the 2 beats that I made. I had any lyrics to the beats. I'll just give you guys a little demo on that. And I also I take times to update my studio so I can see my screen a bit clear. So voila, nothing new. So, I haven't come up with any topic of what I'm gonna sing to this song, this beat, but no, I don't know, still thinking about it. But here we go. It's not finished yet, the beat's not finished yet, but so here we go. See my screen over here, so that's how I make my beats. So I bought a bigger screen so you can see what I'm doing over here. But yeah, so that's the first beat, and then this is the second beat. probably the second beat I'm gonna write Hayayane song or something like that. I don't know. This is a track beat, but if you guys like this kind of song or kind of music, I don't know. I think it's good for the pistuki. I don't know. But yeah, this is the second beat, and then so yeah, and my third song will be DJ Lau. DJ Lau's over here. And what's up? What's up? What's up, cuz? So yeah. So yeah, our next beat, it's gonna be a love song. It's gonna be, the song will be written by DJ Lau. But yeah, like I said before, we're back to the studio. We have a long holiday, and I'm sorry I didn't upload any songs on during the holiday, because you know, holiday is supposed to be with your family. So yeah, just like, what are you guys doing right now? And if you guys are going back to work, good luck with that. But yeah, probably we're gonna start working next week, but that doesn't stop me from making music. I know you guys subscribe to my channel. There's heaps, and 3,000 subscribers. That is huge, and I'm trying my best to entertain you guys with some more songs. So I'll probably be back live on Friday, or maybe I'll do another live, and I'll make a shout out. And actually, I'll just make a shout out right now, because people are Asaeli, shout out to you. And Leone, shout out to you too. Real Mate Matonga, keep it real, Mate Matonga, shout out to you too. And Junior, shout out to you. Also, Sane, what's up, what's up? Anafu, shout out to you. And Junior again. So yeah, we're gonna start making the song right now, and hopefully if we finish it today, I'll probably upload the song tomorrow or tonight, and that's how fast I make the songs and the beats one day. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and hope you guys have a beautiful day, and hope you guys have the best of the best. Hey, shout out to Belly Junior. Thanks for joining us today. And Junior, Belly Junior, we're back to the studio today, just today, and we're gonna start making some songs to entertain you guys. And keep in mind that we are make different kind of songs like reggae, hip hop, trap, techno maybe. Yeah, we can do different kind of songs. But I know a lot of people, they like different kind of songs. So if I upload some song and you guys don't like it, just wait, because who knows, we might be upload the next song, and then there's your piece, there's your song. But anyways, like this video and give it a thumbs up. Nah, jokes. But yeah, if you just watch right now, I'll just give you guys a little demo on the beat that I just made. So I made 2 beats and I haven't written any song to it. And also we're gonna write another song, but this song is gonna be Laos. Laos, I think it's gonna be a love song. But yeah, so if you guys like the beat. This is the first one. I think this song is gonna be a high song, maybe. For the Pistuki. And this is my second beat. And if you have an idea or any topic you wanna help us with to write a song to this beat, and just comment down below and let me. So yeah, that's my second beat. Yeah, but it's not finished yet. So yeah, I think that's it. And we're gonna start recording today. After this, straight after this. And if we finish the song today, I'll be uploaded the song tomorrow, and there'll be another song uploaded on Saturday. Hopefully there's no work tomorrow. Nah, jokes. But yeah, shout out to Whitney Lagdaha. Hello, what's up? And yeah, I think that's it. Shout out to Mr. or Mrs. Tuvai or Mr. Tuvai. Okay, so my next live will be on Friday, or maybe another video tomorrow, just to give you guys an update on what we'll do next. So make sure to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel to get the latest song. And if you download a song from my channel, keep in mind that you don't need any copyrights. I'll give it for you guys for free. And so give it a thumbs up. Nah. So yeah, that's what entertainer do, you know. Nah, jokes. Yeah, but yeah, you don't need any copyrights unless if someone come to my studio and record a song and he or she doesn't want it to upload it to YouTube, or she wanted to upload it but she wanted copyright. That's up to them. But my song and Love song don't need any copyright. It's free to download and you can use the song whatever you want. And this is my offer. Nah, joke. But yeah, offer di motol, offer be mo ma ahole ahoni, fatawang mo kai lele. And if you guys still on holiday, happy holiday. And if you guys back to work, good luck. So yeah, I hate to leave you guys, but I gotta do the song. So overlaat di model, kalau bido momia mai, momia DJ Now, and DJ Lau. Halo.